Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to another Roblox video and Roblox. I'm playing with my sister with a server Airplane 2 server. We are only by ourselves in this server. So I guess we're gonna continue the game. Ingrid, let's go sit down. Go sit down. You're seeing good. You're still sitting where Dylan sits. Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, guys, let's go, play, this game right now, okay? Ingrid, go sit down.
Yo, Dylan, shut up.
Oh.
Mommy, shut up.
Ingrid, you know I'm not Dylan.
I'm sorry. I like to call you Dylan.
Oh, okay.
Fucking man. Frick you. Let me eat bacon. I'm gonna go sit down.
That's okay.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. I hate you, bitch.
Haha. Yay, this time I put you face cam.
I hate you.
You heard right, the president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. If you have never played this story before, this is Airplane 2. The last thing you gotta shoot is not the president. You cannot shoot the president. Shoot the agent right now because the agent is evil. He's the monster.
Alright,
okay.
chatting enough. Enough chatting. Yo, Dami, shut up.
You shut up. Please find the seat that has a golden label with. I'm already in my seat, but it's not gold.
Yo, Dami, shut up. Dami Daily, shut up.
No. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh, Ingrid, Ingrid, that piece only spin, Ingrid. There's a tiny piece of plane. It like spins right there. So I guess the presidential plane does push. Okay. Good. The only thing you gotta make your face cam not see this thing is see that camera. You gotta see this camera over here. Look, am I looking at the camera? Am I seeing that? Am I looking at Ingrid? Am I looking at you? Am I looking at you, Ingrid?
No, you're supposed to move.
Oh, what the heck?
No,
okay.
Remember, we didn't see what it said. Get up, Damian.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ingrid. Forgot, okay?
I mean, Davis is dumb.
Oh, shut up, Ingrid.
I heard you, little prick. Come at me.
We're going to my presidential airplane. Okay?
See?
Follow me to the next room. I will give you some extra shit. Okay, guys. Let's go over there. Okay,
And
I guess let's
Just
go over
FYI,
there. Okay.
Damian.
Okay.
I'm Shadow. Don't say my real name.
Shadow. Okay. Pending getting ready, we will meet you in the dining room for a couple. But there is something you must know before that. Now guys, Shadow is her real name is Ingrid. So she tells me I can't tell her real name. I'm gonna tell her
You
Shadow.
Said it, little tongue.
Shut up. Shadow, are you gonna get that cup and break it?
Nah, I prefer to get one piece of and I'm eat bacon, okay? Why don't you
What
guys? Yes, sir. I'm gonna just grab one. Okay.
What the heck, Ingrid?
Sorry,
what the heck, Shadow?
Bye bye.
You just you're gonna make the president gonna be mad.
Oh, broom.
Okay, let's go get the broom.
Broom, please.
Oh, stop, English, stop. You're getting out of my way. Hey, give me that broom. Okay, I got the broom. Okay, guys, let's go get that broom. Okay. Okay, stop stealing my mess. I'm still out of your mess, English. I finished. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. Yeah, Shadow.
Shut up,
Okay, guys.
Slap.
We're going to another room. Okay.
Slap. Hold on, let me slap you.
If you guys like this video, give it a like, please. Okay. And subscribe me. I got to 10 subscribers right now, but if you give me more subscribers, please. Okay. Go subscribe. Okay.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm sorry. Okay. Just making sure you're okay. Okay.
Where's the chest?
The president. Here's the president and the agent. Build that brick wall. You fuck up. Oh.
This is racism. You know what rhymes with it? Don't
Oh, why am I a
say it,
girl?
you know?
Why am I still a girl? I didn't know I was a girl. My papa said I'm a girl. I'm in my alt account right now. My name Ronald. I'm president of robloxia state. Okay. You must know you are a hero for this mission. Alright, guys. Okay.
Die.
Okay.
Die.
We have delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Okay.
Let me see your food.
Sorry to tell you, Mr. President. Oh, what is it? What is that? What is it? The food is not ready yet. Oh, what the heck? Uh-oh. He's gonna throw him off the plane. Guys, I already know this, okay? Throw that ship off that plane. What the heck? What the heck?
Stop being a spoiler.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's sweet.
Dude,
That's
why are you
sweet.
getting mad? You can make
Oh, what the
your own.
heck?
Nobody wants your food. Haha, you got
Yeah,
mixed
Mr.
it.
President. Oh,
Mixed
oh it picked me. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna cook.
No, wait. No. Don't go.
Guys, I'm gonna turn off my face camera now, okay? Because that's gonna really learn quick or else okay, you gotta tell me some instruction for me to cook.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get I'm
Okay.
inside. Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, I only have to press the ingredient.
Squad 911. I will tell you the ingredients. And
Wait, you gotta
have to
press the
buy-
ingredient?
Yeah, press the ingredients. Then drop them into the soup pot before the timer.
How can you throw it? You gotta go to the.
You just take it out and then you just go to the pot. And that's all.
You got
If you
everyone.
grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can.
Okay, okay, agent.
Dude, are you ready?
I am ready.
Time to cook.
Okay, what's the name, please? Okay.
Yeah, the soup needs pepper.
Okay, I got a pepper.
The soup needs banana. Wait, what?
Ew.
That's a big banana right there. It needs potato. Oh, look at the potato. Oh, it's a big potato.
Soup needs.
Banana.
Again, banana.
Ew. The chef is disgusting. The soup needs potato. Wait,
Again, potato. Oh, I got a potato
this
here.
food is gonna be nasty. I'm not gonna eat it. I just want to see the potato.
Food is ready. Okay, guys. Let me turn on my face. Oh, I'm
the potato. Don't leave it.
Oh.
Do you still have the potato?
I don't know.
Say yes.
I still have it.
Give me. I want to give it.
Oh, guys. I don't know how I got the potato, guys. I got a potato right now. I got a potato.
Hey, don't leave the potato.
And my potato, my
Don't
face
eat
in real life,
Don't
it's a
eat
potato
it.
head.
Sit down before you get die.
I gotta go sit. Okay. Is the food disgusting?
Yes, definitely.
Ew. Enjoy.
Ew, I'm not eating this.
I'm gonna just eat a potato.
No, don't eat the potato. That's my potato, friend.
This is mine.
You're mean.
I took the potato. I was cooking.
Well, that's my potato. I want it,
Okay.
and it's mine.
I'm gonna show my dog. Inga, I wanna show my dog. What the fuck? Hello, Pancho. How is it going, Pancho? You love me? Oh, I see you.
He doesn't love you. He hates
Pancho.
me better than you.
Okay, Pancho. What's up, Pancho? I got a dog. Oh, okay. Oh, you don't know where is it?
I forgot. Is it in here? Oh, wait, it's all the way over there.
Oh, you in the wrong place. Inga.
Sorry,
It's okay. It's alright. Okay, it's alright.
Okay. What's up, dude? So freaking thumb down.
Welcome to the computer room. Okay.
I can literally do faster than you, so don't mind.
Yeah. Okay. You can. Okay. Do it. Do it by yourself. I'm gonna wait right here. Okay.
In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. I got it. Okay.
Oh, this phone is so pro.
Or you're not even doing nothing, so you're literally letting me hack it off.
You say you're gonna do it long because my phone is slow.
Because you are. There you go.
Oh, shut up. Oh, can I, is it my turn for me to use the gun?
Yeah, so we really need to work in that code. Bro, I literally done the whole
Okay,
thing.
do you,
Shut up, agent.
you wanna go to use, Shadow, you wanna get the keys?
Yes.
You wanna say no to this, loser?
You wanna fight, dude? Look, it's haunted. It says haunted over here. Dude, it says haunted. See? It says haunted.
So I guess the monster put that.
Anyway, as our very special guest, I will let you.
Sleep in presidential bedroom. Oh, so he's not weird. He let in us sleep.
Yes.
But the monster comes.
But I can't. Can you find the lock?
Oh, I'm gonna say nah.
No.
Nah.
Find them yourself.
Yeah, Mr. President, you're fat. I found the key. Oh, good job, English. Good.
Show me the potato.
I got a potato.
Where's it?
You finished the food. Okay.
No.
You Oh, go to the bedroom.
I want the potato. I want to see the potato.
I'm gonna
Give me the big potato. I want to see.
Guys, I'm gonna show y'all the monster from outside when it's getting dark. Okay. Oh, what the heck? It teleported me. Okay. The monster comes here.
Wait, is he gonna move the curtain?
Yeah, he opens the curtain.
I want to see that, cause I never gave it to
You see through there. Look. You see through there. Oh, you see your face count. Okay, guys. So there's the pilot room. That's where the monster came from. So I guess it was the agent because no one liked him. That's the reason why. I just saw the whole story, guys.
I'll give it to guys to get ties to time to get go to get comfy. Give me the key. I mean, give me the potato. I want to see what's there.
Here's the potato.
Thank you.
Okay, time to sleep, English. Time to sleep. Let's see this monster. If this monster comes, then we're gonna get freaked out. Okay, English, look at this living room. Look at English. Look at this place. That's where the pilot room is, and then no. And if the monster gonna come right there. Guys, if y'all see that, there's a monster in the pilot room.
That scares me.
And here comes the monster. He's gonna come. Oh, here came. He disappeared. He came. Guys. He opened the curtain. Wait, what? The curtain. Guys. There's the monster. The monster coming. We're gonna get scared. We're gonna get caught. At the fire. Guys, there's the monster.
No. It's the what's up, bro? You got my favorite color, so.
Inge, get away from the fire. It's gonna come soon. No. It's not letting me jump. Okay. Here's fire. Go.
It's going fast, dumbass.
Go. Oh, no. Yes, I do. Let's go. No. What's happening? Why am I not move? Okay, right now. Let's go in the storeroom and go out the top. Hey guys, if it comes the fire, go this in the top so you cannot get on fire. Okay guys, if y'all's if fire comes here, then get to the highest place, okay? So you cannot get fire from the floor. Because I just saw the video, okay? I saw a video from Pope, okay? And here comes the fire, guys. So, okay, your friend.
I love you, potato. I love you, potato. Mwah. You gonna throw me down.
Oh, we're safe now. And here comes the fire. Floor. The floor. Here, guys. There came the fire. So, and it's gonna come higher.
No. We're gonna die.
We're gonna die. We didn't die. But the monster's gonna come soon. Why you gone? What's happening? Oh, your phone call. Okay, guys, let's go answer it.
Pick it up.
We answered. Okay. Hello? Who's there? Something terrible is happening, fine? You don't say.
We literally just... What?
Can't tell you much, so the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot account, she said.
Let's go.
Problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it.
Who do? Haunted do what?
Let's go while I get that. But be careful.
Notes, sir.
But the monster might be still around.
Dude, sorry to report something, but I see a do. I see words.
I finished call, guys. Okay, I think the monster gonna come soon.
We're gonna have to run all the way over there.
You will not escape this time.
Where's he?
Yeah, we are.
Where's he now?
He's gonna come somewhere near us, Ingrid. He's gonna come. Guys, I'm gonna turn on my face cam right now. Okay, I think so.
Oh, he's behind me, Dominic. Run.
Oh, he's not coming to me.
Bro, are you serious? Can you please get somebody else instead of me?
Oh no! We're gonna get caught. We're gonna die. I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna go to the computer place. Oh no! Oh, I don't want him to come to me.
Come here.
Go to the kitchen, Ingrid.
Where did he go? Oh, he gave me damage, dog.
He came to you?
He gave me damage from the run. Go to our room. Go to
Uh-oh.
our room. Go to our room. Oh, you son.
I'm going to dinner table.
Why?
Dinner place where I go play. Oh, you're coming to me. It's coming. I'm gonna go where President eats. Oh, he's behind us. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh no. He gave you 2 health.
No. He's killing me, bro. He just gave me a lot of death.
How much? You got yellow?
No, I'm almost about to get yellow. Go to the fire room now. No.
We got in.
Look, you gave me a lot of bad health because I was sitting down because of the table.
Okay, guys, we're on. Okay, everyone is here.
People saved it. Like,
What is going on? We saw that monster again. Did you follow us here?
it didn't follow you here.
It didn't follow you here.
You're reading it.
It made you come. Can I use the gun?
Yes.
Yay. I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. That's sad. And I knew something about planes. He was always obsessed with planes. In a scary way, he liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make a plane crash himself, okay? Died a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Because he blames you for this stealth, his stealth.
Why us? We came here on the flight.
I'm not gonna put intro and outro in this.
Why?
Because it's long video.
Oh.
It won't get a long video. It's like 20 minutes.
I didn't know.
He could be any agent, even the president, but I'm not sure yet.
See, I'm gonna drive.
Let me get the gun, okay? Take this gun, okay? Inga, you stay away from the gun, okay? I'll take it.
Alright.
Take this gun. Who's gonna take a shot? You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. Okay, guys, this is it, guys. We're gonna kill him right now, okay? Okay, guys, I will do it, guys, okay? Right now, okay? Let's get out the room, guys, and we're gonna get out, and shoot those monsters. Let's see, we're not gonna shoot the president because he's not evil. We already know him because he's not the evil. So let's see. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We discovered you, monster.
Oh, look at your face, though.
Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan. Guys, we're gonna kill the agent because he was the one who was the monster all along, guys. We know one of you is the monster. So, guys, I'm gonna kill the agent. Let's see. You are making a huge mistake. We're gonna kill, guys. We are not monster. You liar. We're gonna do this, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Uh-oh. Whoa, go. Let's see. Okay, let's go. We shoot a monster, guys.
But your face is so happy to kill him.
He's the monster, guys. He's been the monster all along, guys. Yeah. What is that? It's the monster. It's the president. It had been hunted us since the first trip. He tried to make a bandage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for you saving my life.
Jump, jump, jump.
Oh, I got my potato with the gun, Ingrid. Potato with the shot.
You're like,
With
look
a
at my
pistol.
Potato. You're like, this is my potato now.
That was so scary.
Not really.
Let's go home. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. Oh, look at this monster. Told you he was a
He's
monster.
gonna blink. Look. 1, 2, 3.
He blinked. Uh-oh. He liar. Wait, monsters don't die?
He's a demon. He can literally just go back to the bottom and then come back. I think. That's no.
Guys, game over. We did a victory in this Z and in this store right now, guys, okay? Guys, if y'all like this video, you know what to do. Go and subscribe to my channel, please. Okay? Go subscribe to my channel, don't forget that, please, okay? And yeah, give it a like, please, okay? Okay, and I watch the video, okay? And I'll see you guys next time in this next video, okay? Bye. Guys, don't say cuss word in the video, okay?
You cussed it.
I didn't cuss. I say curse words, okay?
That's the same
And I'll
thing.
see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.